Hey girl, what's up? How you doing? My name is Lux Masay, for those who don't know me. And for those who know me, hey girl, how you doing? Welcome back to the Vibes, period. So I don't want to talk too much. I just want to get right into this video right now. Because I'm sure from the title, you know what's going on. Today, we are cleaning our eyebrows. Yeah, y'all, I've discovered a new way to, do my brows. I can't stand wax. Well, wax is not that bad, but I'm not always gonna do that. And I can't stand threading. I definitely can't stand that. But a quick disclaimer, y'all, this actually, if you have sensitive skin, please don't try this. Or at least if you want to try it and see how it works, go ahead. But I'm just gonna say this right now because Nair is very toxic. If you know Nair, then you know Nair. But this has been working for me, and so that's why I'm putting y'all on. Like, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Don't quote me on this. Don't try and sue me and say I give you the wrong advice. No, I didn't. Okay, I'm just showing y'all something that's been working for me, and it might work for you. Okay. All right. So this is just gonna be everything you're gonna need. So some Nair. Don't talk about the one I'm using. Okay, mind your business. But I'm pretty sure they have facial Nair. Actually, my sister told me, I didn't even know, but my sister told me that they have facial Nair. So I'm gonna, one day I'll go ahead and buy it, but this works just fine because that's what I've been using, and I've been doing this for the past 3 months at least. So you're gonna need some Nair. You're gonna need, an eyebrow brush or whatever, and you're gonna need some Q-tips. I actually ran out of Q-tips, but I'm just gonna improvise with this. And then you're gonna need some tissue paper just to, wipe away the excess or whatever. Yeah, so this is kind of what my eyebrows are looking like right now. I actually Naired them, I think it's been like a good month and a half or 2 months. So this is like 2 months worth of growth right here. As y'all can see, look at that. So I waited because the first time I did this, I regretted not recording it for you guys. So this time I'm like, I'm gonna get it on camera for y'all because it works. It really works. This is the part where you would use the Q-tips, but I ran out of Q-tips, so I'm just gonna use the end of my eyebrow brush. So you just go ahead, So you just go ahead and apply a little bit, you see? Just enough to get you started, and then you just basically apply it to where you want the hair to be gone. So as y'all can see right here, like I got some growth right under my curve, so this is basically where I usually apply it because I like the little clean arch. So that's how you do this. Like I said, normally I'll use a Q-tip for this, but I don't have one today, so I'm just improvising. So yeah, you just apply this to the area you want cleaned up, just like that. And it's so easy. It's so easy, and it lasts so long, y'all. Like when I do my oops, oh my god, I don't spilled it. Like I was saying, this actually really does last for a while. I did this 2 times in the last 3 months. So yeah, I think this is perfect for me. I think this is just where I want it to be. Now we go to the top and just kind of create the arch that you want, or like the shape, because it will clean it up in the shape that you apply it. So make sure you're applying it in the shape up that you want your eyebrows to be, just like that. See, like right there, because I want my eyebrows to be nice and squarish and archish, if that's even a word. And also don't forget this part right here. This part is very vital because it's an important part when it comes to shaping your eyebrows. It just gives you that perfect shape, like, if you get what I'm trying to say. So be careful not to get this in your eyes, okay? Please. I don't want you to go blind. So take your time, especially if it's your first time. Don't use too much. Go little bits by little bits. All right, so just like that. And then right under. Ooh, it's a little bit too much right here. Right under. Get the front. Right. So while that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and do the mustache as well. Yeah, careful not to rub in, just dab, don't rub, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, just see how the motion I'm going with? Just dab, not rub in your skin. It just needs to be dabbed in. There you go. Don't forget the sides, it's very important. Oh, this facial hair's gotta go, baby. It's gotta go. Okay, it doesn't take that long to, I look like a clown. But yeah, it doesn't take that long. Usually like about, actually the Nair bottle says to actually keep it in for about, I wouldn't say verbatim, okay, about 3 minutes. So I do feel like this brow has been in at this point. How long is this video now? I don't even know. But I feel like at this point, this brow is ready. So basically what I do is just get some napkins, right? I go ahead and wet this with like lukewarm water, and then you just go right in, like you just wipe it off, and then you guys see, right? You guys see right now. And then I just go in and wipe away the excess. Y'all see that? That's actually the hair coming out. And then just kind of do that. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Look at that. Oof. I love this stuff. Like, look at that. Look at that. It's really that easy, y'all. Literally that easy. There you go. As you can see, perfection. Perfection. Money. Money, baby. Money, baby. Look at, every time, every time, every time. Yeah, wow. Move that too. See, that's how much hair I had on my mustache, so it wasn't that bad. But y'all, do y'all see this upgrade? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. And you see, it gives you a lift. Like, it just cleans it up so clean. Y'all see, I'm trying to put y'all on, okay? If you have sensitive skin, I am so sorry for you, sis. But, you know, you never know until you try, okay? So, like, go ahead and try. Like, y'all, look. In literally under 5 minutes, and it's so quick. You can do this anywhere you are. You don't have to get an appointment. You don't have to, you know, wait on somebody. You don't have to run to the store and get some wax. Well, you do gotta run to the store and get some Nair, but the Nair lasts for a really long time. So yeah, my mustache is all cleared up. My brows have the natural glow, lift, and clean the arch. You know, well, that's it for today's video. That's it. I just want to put you on some little beauty tips that I have for myself, and I really hope this works out for you like it works for me. Like I said, I've been doing this for like the past 3 months, so it's perfect for me. I love using Nair on my brow, and my skin doesn't, you know, irritate from it. And then if anything, just for care, just make sure you get like, you put some oils and stuff. This is some this is something I had gotten from, well, this one place where I went to get my eyebrows laminated, and it was just like a treatment that she gave me to upkeep my brows with. So that's kind of what I still use even when I use Nair, because, you know, the lamination is like, it's kind of a similar product to Nair. Like, it's like a perm type thing, you know? So this works just fine. Make sure you just, like, you know, moisturize your brow, especially after you're done. Just make sure you moisturize your skin and your brows for no irritation. Even though I still don't get irritation, but you know, you just gotta take care of your skin. That's it. But yes, babe, I really hope this video was helpful for you, and I really hope this works out for you. And thanks for watching, and I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Bye.